130 years is a long time, and you know it's easy to become complacent and just let the momentum take care of your business. But we feel like that it's the right thing to do to stay at the highest level of production and manufacturing in the test and measurement industry. I'm Mike Palmer with Megger, Western Regional Sales Manager. You know, what we came up with is, once again, with the research, to find out what technicians were doing at commissioning, and of course when they were going out to do repair on an existing array, was they needed an insulation tester, number one, and that's the MIT 2500 that we have in the kit. Number two was that clamp-on, PV clamp-on meter, so they could do their commissioning, and they could also do ground fault testing. And then one step farther is, it's a very real thing to find heat spots in panels and inverters. So we came out with the TC3231 thermal camera. Following along in that same mission to create a unit that will commission, we came out with the IR Radiance PVM 210 unit that will do the alignment of the panels and what the maximum sunlight is hitting the panel. You know, when we embarked on putting this kit together, we knew there was going to be some training hurdles for our customers. So what we've enacted is the ability, of course, to email us or call us anytime.